Hello friends, KC channel present today's video manuscript for Scopus publication. Source from this website collected some information sharing now. Everyone searching for a list of active Scopus journal in this 2020. The list Excel file uploaded here. You can click here and you can get it in your browser. Manuscript. Three kinds of manuscript we can submit for publication. One is our original research, apply some statistical tool and find some new things and share, or review articles alone, collect n number of review articles and summarize it and present it as a paper, or case studies about any corporate or about any social issue. As a case study, we can submit our manuscript for publication. I am from business management, so the example quoted here from this area, one of the Scopus journal, Journal of Indian Business Research. Yes, now a call for in this journal for paper publication. In the title, Innovative Knowledge-Based Method for Information Management in Business and Marketing. The last date September 1st, 2020. What is a good manuscript? The manuscript fulfill the journal aim. So before sharing, before sending our research work as a manuscript for publication, everyone first read the journal's aim. What the journal about. There the aim and scope of the journal we need to go through thoroughly. Second, publication ethics. We need to follow the ethics. We don't copy the original work. We should submit. Guidelines. Every journal specific guidelines given by them. Download the guidelines. Go through page by page. Then write the manuscript. Basic requirements. Our manuscript in MS Word. Final, after writing the manuscript, finally we are submitting as a PDF to the publisher. Length, the article length 6,000 minimum to 8,000 words, not exceeding 8,000 words. Exact title, what is the research work about? Concise title, attractive title. If any funding agency supporting our research, we need to mention that. Details of the author, co-author, their name, email and where they are affiliated to. For example, today I am working in one place, one institution, started my research. I completed the research, but I switch over to some other institution. The institution where the research is done, that is the institution we are affiliated to. Structure. For writing the manuscript, follow the structure. 4 important headings. The purpose of the research, the design methodology, our research design methodology, key findings, and the originality. The 4 things we need to keep. And subheading, if required, if you want, you can give the implication. What is the impact of our study for the society, for the organization. Ready for submission. Now the manuscript is ready. Double check grammar, spelling, everything. Second, whether we have the ORCID ID for our publication. If not, register and get the ORCID ID from the ORCID ID.org website. Are you ready to submit? Finally, we need to check findings suitable to the research, journals, whether the article is matching with journal, structure properly, result, conclusion and results justified by you, references substantiated by you, format, proper structure, tables, everything we need to check. Cost, the last question, how much fees are, how much charge for publication. Scopus journals, there are some journals free of cost. This journal, they are mentioned that if we want to publish through green open access, then it is free. That means we are ready to give open access for our publication, for our research work to all people. Then it is free. Thank you, friends. Subscribe my channel, connect me in my blog, get all the academic information, share this to everyone. Thank you.